How to Use Kodi App. Go to the official Kodi website and download the latest version suitable for your device. Run the installer file and follow the prompts to install Kodi on your device. Open Kodi and allow it to complete its initial setup. Navigate to the settings in the top corner, select System, and then choose Add-ons. Turn on unknown sources to enable add-ons of third-party add-ons. Return to the main menu and go to Add-ons. Select Install from Repository or Install from Zip to add official or trusted add-ons. Explore add-ons like The Crew or others from the official Kodi repository for legal content. Add-ons provide access to movies, TV shows, live TV, and music offered by legitimate sources. Launch an installed add-on to browse and stream available content. If links don't work, try another add-on or update the existing one to keep Kodi running smoothly. Regularly update add-ons and the app itself. Note that you should always use official Kodi add-ons or those from trusted sources, ensuring all streamed content is legally accessed. Avoid unauthorized add-ons that stream copyrighted material unlawfully. Subscribe.